Namaskar. A warm welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel CA Sansaar. Myself CA Vivek Khurana, and today we will discuss about the Section 44 AE, Presumptive Taxation for Transporter who are into the business of plying, hiring or leasing of goods carriages, and linkage with tax audit under Section 44 AB. So before going to start, my request to all of you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel CA Sansaar and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new video, you will get it notified. And please also like and share with your friends so that maximum members can take the benefit of our videos. So regarding this section 44 AE, presumptive taxation for transporters, and in our previous videos, we had discussed about the tax audit limit under section 44 AB. Then we had discussed about the presumptive taxation for professionals under section 44 ADA. And also we had discussed about the presumptive taxation for the businessman under section 44 AD. So if you have missed this video, you can check it from the CSNSR YouTube channel. Otherwise, we will also give you the link into the this one icon I buttons, and also will try to give you the link into the comment box. So please go through it because this is very important, and we have tried our best to give you some more clarity. And today we will discuss about the section 44 AE. Before that, one disclaimer is there. These all are my personal views and can't be construed the views of the ICI, CSNSR, or any other person or any other authority. And don't take it any legal advice, legal opinion, or professional advice, or the professional opinion. And the purpose of this video to spread knowledge, information, awareness, and shall not be treated as solicitation in any manner or for any other purpose whatsoever. And please, my request to all of you, please also go through the ICI guidance note on tax audit, relevant section under Income Tax Act on the 44AD, 44AE, 44AF, 44AB, and also relevant notification, relevant circular, if any. So thank you very much. And before that, this just a recap for all of you regarding this section 44AB. We have already discussed in detail every clause A, where the how much is the turnover, 1 crore, or if the some digital payments are there more than 95%, then 10 crore turnovers are there. And then all payments should be through the banks. If not through the account pay check, then it treated as cash. Then we had discussed for the if the more than 50 lakh for professional, then tax audit compulsory. Then section clause C, and this was clause B, then clause C, that we will discuss today. This is very important. Clause C, then we had already discussed clause D and clause E. So you can check through our 44 AB video. All details are there. So regarding the section 44 AE, presumptive taxation for the business, for the transporter who are into the business of plying, hiring, or leasing of goods carriages. So purpose is to give the relief of this small taxpayer. Then let's first understand the section 44A, what it talks about. Section 44A, section 44A of the Income Tax Act 1961, it's the special provision for computing profit and gains of business of plying, hiring, or leasing of the goods carriages. So section 44A subsection 1, it talks about notwithstanding. First let's go through the this one section 44A, then we'll discuss through the chart and through the examples. So notwithstanding anything to contrary contained in section 28 to 43C. So overruling these sections in case of an assessee not defined. Assessee means any assessee who owes not more than 10 goods carriages. So limits are 10 goods carriages at any time during the previous year, who is engaged in the business of plying, hiring, or leasing such goods carriages. The income of such business chargeable to tax under the hand PGBP shall be deemed to be the aggregate of the profit and gains from all goods carriage owned by him in the previous year, computed in accordance with the provision of subsection 2. So यहाँ 44A subsection 1 talks about all assessee. जैसे 44AD में different assessee was there. 44 AD में ADA में different assessee was there. Here all assessee who are into the business means eligible assessee, eligible business, इसके ऊपर हम डिस्कस करते हैं. एंड जो इनका deemed profit to be computed in accordance with subsection 2. So subsection 2 talks about. So two categories are there. First is for the heavy goods vehicle, उसको भी define किया है. Another one is the other than heavy goods vehicle. तो heavy goods vehicle के cases में it talks about the profit and gains for each goods carriage. For each goods carriage, it's an amount equal to 1,000 rupees per ton of gross vehicle weight or unleaded weight, as case may be, for every month or part of a month which during which the heavy goods vehicle is owned by the assessee in the previous year, or amount claimed to have been actually earned from such vehicle, whichever is higher. Means जो 1,000 per ton per vehicle और जो amount received actual received whichever is higher. Other than, इसके ऊपर भी डिटेल डिस्कस करते हैं. Other than heavy goods vehicle shall be amount equal to 7,500 for every month or part of month during which the goods carriage is owned by the assessee in the previous year, or amount claimed to have been actually earned from such goods carriage, whichever is higher. Then subsection 3 same की overriding fact कि आपका any deduction allowed under the provision of section 30 to 38 shall for the purpose of subsection 1 to be deemed to have been already given full effects to and no further deduction under this section. Same जो हमारा 44 AD या 44 ADA में है. But in case of assessee, if it's a firm, अगर कोई partnership firm है, then you can take the benefit of section 40. उसमें आप interest अगर partners को pay करते हो या फिर salary को pay करते हो तो that you can claim it. Then WDV वो आपका जो section 32 है already paid, वो इसका same है 44 ADA की तरह. Then the subsection 5. The provision of section 44 AA and 44 AA shall not apply. Same thing कि अगर आप 44 AD 44 AE में opt करते हो तो no need for books of account to be maintained or no need for tax audit. आपको tax audit की कोई जरूरत नहीं. And then close this one, subsection 6. Nothing contained in foregoing provision of this section shall apply where the assessee claim and produces evidence to prove the profit and gains from the aforesaid business during the previous year relevant to assessment year commencing on the April 1st, 1997 or any earlier assessment year lower than profit and gains specified in section 1 and 2, and thereupon the assessing officer shall proceed to make an assessment of the total income or loss of the assessee and determine the sum payable by the assessee on the basis of assessment made under section 3 of section 143. And then 7. This is very important, जिसके ऊपर हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Subsection 7 of section 44A. Notwithstanding anything contained in the foregoing provision of this section, the assessee may claim lower profit and gains than the profit and gain specified in subsection 1 and 2 if he keeps and maintains some books of account and the document as required under section 244A and gets his account audited and furnish a report of such audit as required under section 44AB. Means अगर वो ऑप्ट करता है 44A और उसमें इनकम जो उसका डिम्ड प्रॉफिट है वो शो करता है लेस देन व्हाट इज टॉक्स अबाउट जो सबसेक्शन 2 में है, जो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड है 1000 पर टन के हिसाब से. अगर उसमें हैवी व्हीकल गुड्स है और 7500 पूरा डिटेल अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर उससे कम दिखाता है विच एवर इज हायर तो है, अगर वो दिखाता है, बट अगर वो कम दिखाता है देन ही हैज टू मेंटेन बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट एंड आल्सो द टैक्स ऑडिट. देन दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन. What's the meaning of goods carriage? Goods carriage, the meaning, it's in the gross vehicle weight. It's all into the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. उसमें आपका 59 of 1988 है. Then heavy vehicle, कौन सी heavy vehicles है? Means any goods carriage the gross vehicle weight of which exceeds 12,000 kilogram. Means 12 टन से ज़्यादा है तो heavy vehicle good, कम है तो other than heavy vehicle goods. Then other one is assessee who is in the possession of goods carried whether taken on hire, purchase or on installment and for which the whole or part of amount payable is still due shall be deemed to the owner of the goods. Means अगर आपने hire, purchase, lease etc पे भी ले सकते हैं, then also you are the owner and you can claim section 44A. Now see through this chart. Section 44A, who's the eligible assessee, what's the eligible business, who can claim, what's the presumptive income. So here in 44A, here eligible assessee is the every person. Nothing is mentioned like only individual or the partnership firm or individual HUF or the partnership firm. Here it says every person. either it's a individual, either it's a HUF, either it's a firm, either it's a company, कोई भी हो सकता है. And then eligible business में है आपका business of playing, hiring or leasing of goods carriages, and who doesn't own more than 10 goods vehicle at any times during the year. Means अगर कोई पर्सन 10 से ज्यादा व्हीकल इन ए प्रीवियस ईयर ओन कर रहा है, देन ही कैन नॉट अडोप्ट दिस सेक्शन 44A. तो उसको नॉर्मल सेक्शन में जाना पड़ेगा. सेक्शन 44A इज ओनली इफ ही हैव only 10 goods carried in during the previous year. Then what's the presumptive income? क्या income है? Heavy goods vehicle के लिए 1000 per ton of gross vehicle weight are part of the month. अगर part of the month one day भी है तो it will consider as the full month. And other than heavy vehicle goods, 7500 per month are part of the month will be considered as full month. And then कुछ note है, if the actual income is higher, अगर वो higher है then whichever is higher. Heavy vehicle already हमने discuss कर लिया. एक दो और कुछ important provisions हैं. The किसके ऊपर allowed है? This is for the business of hiring, plying and leasing of goods carriages. अगर लीजिंग मतलब गुड्स कैरिज नहीं है, या ट्रेड ऑफ पैसेंजर्स है, या कैरिंग व्हीकल और पैसेंजर ट्रांसपोर्ट है, मींस किसी ने बस लगा रखी है, देन ही कैन नॉट ऑफ दिस स्कीम. दिस इज ओनली फॉर द हायरिंग, प्लेइंग एंड लीजिंग गुड्स कैरिजेस जो ट्रक्स वगैरह है उनके लिए है. और मैक्सिमम कितने होने चाहिए? 10. इससे ज्यादा हो इन द ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, देन ही कैन नॉट ऑप्ट. This is regarding this some important provision. Now let's see through this example. Mr. X is engaged in the business of plying, hiring and leasing of goods carriage throughout the year 22-23. He owned 9 goods vehicle other than heavy goods vehicle. What will be the taxable income for the so 9 goods vehicle है उनके पास, तो other than heavy goods, तो आपके पास कितना हो जाएगा? 7500 into 9 into 12. तो total presumptive income will be 8,10,000 under section 44A जो उनकी deemed profit होगा. Then in next question, Mr. Y engaged in the business of plying, hiring and leasing goods carriages. He owned 5 heavy goods vehicles having gross weight of 13,000 kilogram and 4 other goods vehicles during the previous year 21-22. What will be the taxable income? So here 5 heavy goods, तो 12,000 से अबव है तो डेफिनेटली इट्स इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ हैवी गुड्स व्हीकल. तो उस केस में कैसे हम करते हैं? 1000 into 13 into 5 into 9. और अदर देन हैवी गुड्स व्हीकल 7500 into 4 into 12. So this is 7500 into 4 into 12, it's equal to 3,60,000. This is for other than heavy goods vehicle. And 1000 into 13 into 5 into 12, 7,80,000. This is for heavy goods vehicle. So total will be 11,40,000 for section 144A. तो total income Mr. Y की जो है from the business of playing, hiring and leasing goods carried as per the provision of section 44A would be for 11,40,000. Then next question, Mr. A is running in the business of playing, hiring and leasing of such goods carriages for the previous year. During the financial year, he owns 9 vehicles, including light and heavy vehicle goods. So 9 है, it means he is eligible for section 44A. तो उसमें vehicle type A, B, C, 3 में जो है gross weight 12,000. So it means it's not heavy weight vehicle. April to 31st January. Then B2 gross weight 17,000. तो definitely it's a heavyweight vehicle. C4 4 goods carriage from 7 April to 13 January. तो कहीं mention नहीं है. तो let's take an example. It's other than heavyweight vehicle. तो इस केस में what would be the income? So first case जो आपका vehicle A है, because it's not heavyweight vehicle. So in this case 7500 into 3 into how much month? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. So 10 months are there. 7500 into 3 into 10. So this would be 2,25,000 rupees. And in next case heavyweight जो आपका heavy vehicle है, तो इस केस में 1000 into 17 into two goods carriages are there. तो कब से कब तक है? August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So 7 months are there because part of the month would be considered as full month. So in this case, 2,30,000 rupees will be deemed income. And in next case, for goods, so not mention heavy goods, so it's other than heavy goods vehicle. So 7,500 into 4 into April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, 10. So 3,60,000. Total income would be 7,63,000 under section 44A for the business of playing, hiring and leasing of goods if he opts for section 44A. देन कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं और कि अगर दिस एन assessee opt for presumptive scheme under section 44A, तो जो भी आपकी डिडक्शंस हैं under section 30 to 38 it's deemed to be provided only आप सैलरी और जो आपका section 40 में है आपका पार्टनरशिप फर्म में इंटरेस्ट that you can pay, otherwise कोई भी डिडक्शन अलाउड नहीं है इन केस फॉर पर्सन ऑप्टिंग फॉर द प्रिजम्पटिव टैक्स स्कीम अंडर सेक्शन 44A द प्रोविजन ऑफ सेक्शन 44AA वो अप्लाई नहीं होंगे 44AA 44AB आपके ऊपर अप्लाई नहीं है बट इज सेक्शन 44A मैंडेटरी दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ये जो सेक्शन 44AD 44ADA 44A these are the presumptive taxation scheme which introduced by the government to give relief to the small taxpayers. So these are not mandatory. आपके लिए mandatory नहीं है. These are the optional. It's the mandate of the assessee कि आप opt करना चाहो या नहीं कर सकते. Because there are lots of benefit कि आपको some amount आपको show करना है, आपको deductions वगैरह सारी already allowed है, and you no need to maintain books of account, no need for audit. So this is the benefit of section 44A. But दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जो हमने लिंकेज विद द टैक्स ऑडिट है 44A सबसेक्शन 7 एंड 44AB सबसेक्शन C क्लोज C. सो नोटविथस्टैंडिंग ये हमने डिस्कस किया कि अगर आप अपना जो डीम प्रॉफिट्स है जो हमने 7,500 या 1,000 है उससे कम दिखाते हो देन यू हैव टू मेंटेन बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट और आपको अपने ऑडिट करने पड़ेंगे अंडर सेक्शन 44AB. Remember again and again I am saying tax audit के लिए एक ही सेक्शन है 44AB. 44AD only can refer you या 44AE only can refer you go to section 44AB. So in this section 44A it's also refer you go to section 44AB. So section 44AB subsection C close C I'm sorry subsection अल्फा बोल जाता हूँ close C. Carrying on business shall if the profit and gains from the business are deemed to be profit and gain of business and profit and gains of such person under section 44A or section 44BB, triple B, as case may be, and his claim is income to be lower than profit and gain. So deemed to be profit and gain of his business as case may be in the previous year. जो हमने already डिस्कस किया था कि आप अगर उससे कम दिखाते हो then you have to go for the tax audit. One important thing I am saying काफी confusion है काफी लोग see this is not mandatory. अगर मैं opt ही नहीं करता then I have to go for the regular provisions. Regular provisions में मेरे ऊपर books of account 44AA if 44AA उसके अकॉर्डिंग मेरे को बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट मेंटेन करनी पड़ेगी एज पर सेक्शन 44A एंड इफ 44AB इज एप्लीकेबल जो हमारी 1 करोड़ या 10 करोड़ से इनकम अब उसमें टर्नओवर से अबव है देन आई हैव टू गो फॉर द टैक्स ऑडिट इफ आई डोंट ऑप्ट फॉर सेक्शन 44A. बट अगर आप सेक्शन 44A ऑप्ट करते हो और अपना जो डीम प्रॉफिट है 1,000 जो उसमें हाईवे व्हीकल्स या 7,500 पर हैवी व्हीकल उससे कम शो करते हो then you have to go for section 44A clause C. आपको tax audit and books of account is mandatory. So this is regarding section 44A. So in case you any query you can message, you can call, you can mail me, but my only request please send your query in detail. Like I have received many queries. Sir, turnover 45 lakh rupees है और हमने शो प्रॉफिट किया 5 लाख रुपीस टैक्स ऑडिट इज एप्लीकेबल. अरे भाई एटलीस्ट गिव द डिटेल whether it's a business whether it's a प्रोफेशनल इनकम क्या है आपकी इनकम अपने 44AD या 44AD ऑप्ट किया है या नहीं ऑप्ट किया तो एटलीस्ट गिव द डिटेल ऑफ योर क्वेरी अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल आंसर दे पाए एंड ट्राई करिए टाइम लेके यू कैन कॉल मी देन विल डिस्कस because what you want to say what I want to say sometime in message it's not possible so discuss on call and This is all about 44 AD, 44 ADA, 44 AE. So in our next video, we'll discuss some other important points about the tax audit. So till then, bye bye, take care. Again, my request, like this video and share with your friends so that maximum people can take the benefit. So bye bye, take care. Thank you.